Welcome to Spring LIB.
In this problem, you're given two Lewis structures, and you're asked to indicate how many electron pairs are going to be found on the indicated elements. So we start with a carbon, and on your carbon A, if you write out what your methyl group is actually going to look like, it'll look like this. So carbon has an octet, and it can't have an expanded octet. So that means we're going to have at A 0 lone electrons. When we look at B, now we have sulfur, and currently sulfur has 2, 4, 6 electrons around it. So for an octet, it's going to need one more lone pair. So for B, our answer is 1. Lastly, we have chlorine with that negative charge. So chlorine's just an ion now, so it needs an octet. And for that, we're going to give it 4 lone pairs. Then we move to our second structure, and we have a carbon that's part of carbonyl. Right now we have 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons around carbon. So like our last carbon, we're going to see that we already have an octet, so we have 0 lone pairs on carbon A. When we look at B, we're looking at oxygen now, and it has 2, 4, 6 lone electrons, 6 electrons around it. So to have an octet, it needs 2 lone electrons, meaning 1 lone pair. And if you check your formal charges, that does give you a +1. Lastly, we have C, and this is a hydrogen. Hydrogens only take 2 electrons total. So right now it already has the most it can take. So for hydrogen C, we're going to see 0 lone electron pairs there.